Ever found yourself curious about how an engine works? Or taken apart a gadget to figure out what makes it tick? Then, mechanical engineering might be your perfect fit. It isn't just nuts, bolts and blueprints. Mechanical engineers are behind the scenes of literally everything that moves, from electric cars and roller coasters to wind turbines and space tech. So, what exactly does a mechanical engineer do? They design, build and maintain the machines and systems that power our world. From eco-friendly engines to factory robots, even renewable energy systems. It's all about turning ideas into real-world solutions. One day, you might be testing a new prototype. The next, you're improving the efficiency of an entire production line. But it's not just technical skills. Communication, teamwork, and creativity are just as important. Whether you're leading a team or collaborating on a design, being able to explain your ideas clearly and work with others is key. So, what do you need to get started? Before uni, aim for at least 5 solid GCSEs, including maths, English, and science. Then, for A-levels, maths and physics are essential. Most unis also accept BTECs or T-levels in engineering. Subjects like design and technology or computer science, big bonus. And while work experience isn't required, it definitely helps. Think summer STEM programs, shadowing engineers, or hands-on school projects. The next step is deciding on the right degree for you. Mechanical engineering is the obvious choice, but there are other good picks too. Automotive engineering, aerospace, mechanical, electrical, and even general engineering are also great options. Many of these degrees are accredited, which means they can help you become a chartered engineer later on. Entry requirements vary, but you're looking at around 96 to 160 UCAS points. That's anything from A-star AAA to CCD at A-level. Head to What Uni for more information on this. What's it actually like to study mechanical engineering? It's a mix of theory and practice. You'll dive into subjects like thermodynamics and mechanics. There's plenty of maths and physics, plus hands-on work like lab experiments and team design projects. Many courses also include a placement year in industry, which is a fun way to get real-world experience before you graduate. Prefer a more hands-on route? Degree apprenticeships let you earn while you learn. Same entry requirements as uni, but you apply straight to companies. It's competitive, but a great alternative if you'd rather learn on the job. And after graduation, mechanical engineers are in demand everywhere. Transport, energy, aerospace, healthcare, construction, robotics, the list goes on. Most start in design, testing, or maintenance roles, with starting salaries between £26,000 and £30,000. With experience, you could earn £50,000 or more, especially if you go for chartered status. Still unsure? Here's what Isaac, a fourth-year mechanical engineering student, had to say. The best part of uni is the support from the tutors. They genuinely care about helping you succeed, not just in class, but in life too. So, whether you're dreaming of designing rockets, building renewable energy tech, or inventing the next big thing, mechanical engineering could be your launch pad. The world needs problem solvers, thinkers, doers, makers. Ready to be one of them? Explore mechanical engineering courses on What Uni and find the one that suits you best.